Hey, can I ask you a question?
Yeah,
What's your name and what's something you love?
my name is Mae and I love bugs. What is the difference between entomology and forensic entomology? Entomology is the study of insects, but forensic entomology is the study of insects and arthropods in a criminal investigation. How can insects be involved in a criminal investigation? The life cycle of flies and insects is directly correlated to the decomposition of a body. The fly life cycle consists of 4 stages, and each of these 4 stages corresponds to one of the 5 stages of decomposition. Flies start as eggs, then move to larvae, pupas, and adults, and in the decomposition of a body, the first stage is the fresh stage, bloated stage, active decay, advanced decay, and then the remain stage. What is the correlation between these two things? The first stage of decomposition is the fresh stage of decomposition. This is days 1 to 2. Blood stops being pumped throughout the body, and there's an enzymatic breakdown of cell membranes and structure. This is the beginning of the fly life cycle. Californiae, which are blowflies, arrive and lay their eggs. They take 72 hours to hatch. By this point, the corpse is in the second stage of decomposition, which is the bloated stage, taking days 2 through 7. Bacteria present in the GI tract continue to break down and process the soft tissues. The breakdown of these structures results in products such as gases being created. Some of these gases are hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, methane, and sulfur dioxide. The pressure of these gases continues to build, which leads to the skin rupturing. These gases are known as aponemones. The release of these aponemones creates a smell, which attracts other flies such as Sarcophaga, flesh flies, to the scene. Both blowflies and flesh flies are in their second stage of life, which is the maggot stage. Soft tissues continue to be processed by the maggots. At this point, the body is matured to the active stage of decay, which takes up days 7 through 13. Insects have matured to larvae, and they continue to eat the body's tissues, including liquids and fats. Once they're satisfied with what they have eaten, they move into a more dormant stage. After all of the soft materials have been processed, only tougher materials remain. This includes bone, cartilage, ligaments, and hair. Since flies cannot process these materials, they move on from the carcass and leave to their adult lives. Other organisms, such as beetles and moths, come into the scene. The final stage of decomposition is the remain stage, which is days 18 plus. Beetles and chewing insects come to feed on cartilage and ligaments, and moths and other microorganisms feed on the bone and hair. Final bits of the carcass are returned to the earth as their organic particles. I find it fascinating that forensic entomologists can look at the stage of life of a fly to determine the time of death of a body.
All right, thank you. Bye.
See ya!